Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys some beautiful dresses के options that you can wear off to your vacations. कहीं आप जा रहे हो घूमने, if you're going for a date night, you can wear this and look so nice, so gorgeous and so pretty. I have ordered 5 items, but 3 ही receive हुए हैं. But I really wanted to come here and share with you guys some beautiful dresses जो मैंने order करा because I just can't wait to share this with you guys because these are so beautiful. मैंने already try on कर रखा है. And I've shared, little bit of no joke wearing these dresses, and you guys loved, the pictures on my Instagram. So yes, chalo, without much blabbering, let's quickly get started with today's video. Also, before I start with the video, make sure to go ahead and use my coupon code that is flashing on your screen right now in order to get additional off on your entire order. So the very first dress जो मैंने मंगवाया है is this very beautiful pleated A-line dress that retails for 1390 rupees and ये ना 4 colors में आते हैं. I've been eyeing this particular dress for a very long time and finally मैं ले चुकी हूँ. But आपको ये dress size small से large तक का मिल जाएगा. So I was little worried क्योंकि सवाना पे extra small मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से fit होता है in terms of dresses and cord set. बाकी मैं small ही लेती हूँ और बाकी जो चीज़ें like tops वगैरह. And this is what I have ordered is this very beautiful one shoulder pleated A-line dress. बहुत ही flare long maxi dress है. मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से ये चाहिए था and I ordered this in the color pink because it just looks so nice. आपको purple, blue as well as green color में आपको मिल जाएंगे. But I really love the pink. This looks, feels so nice, so very gorgeous. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. Oh my god, it looks so nice. So ये रहा, आपको यहाँ से ना one shoulder वाला detailing मिल जाएगा and then on the side you get this beautiful cutout right here and then आपको नीचे से ना इसका tie up detailing मिल जाएगा like this. So you can go ahead and tie this and आप इसको अपने हिसाब से tight कर सकते हो like this. ठीक है, जितना आपको आपका waist को cinch करना आप उस तरीके से कर सकते हो and then you get the whole dress patch. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. काफी सुंदर है. देखो पूरे के पूरे ड्रेस में आपको इस तरीके का प्लीटेड वाले डिजाइन मिल जाएंगे जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारा लगता है एंड आई जस्ट लव इट. आई जस्ट लव द ड्रेस. आप देखो कितना ज्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. आई लव द फिटिंग. इट लुक्स सो नाइस, सो एलिगेंट, सो सोफिस्टिकेटेड. सो अगर आप इस तरीके का वेकेशन ड्रेसेस चाहिए हो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो अहेड एंड चेक दिस आउट. कलर्स आपको 4 कलर्स में मिल जाएंगे एंड दिस राइट इज definitely worth every single penny. The next dress जो मैंने ऑर्डर करा is this very beautiful black color का printed A-line dress that retails for 1490 rupees. जो भी dresses मैंने ऑर्डर करा this time it's a little on the higher price side but these are worth every single penny. So the next dress that I got is this very beautiful printed A-line dress and oh my god, this right here is just so perfect for any vacation. I'm so excited for this and this is what it looks like. आप देखो पूरा vacation का dress लग रहा है. So I ordered this very beautiful black round cut dress. I've been wanting this dress for a very long time. बिना कोई review देखे मैंने order करा and it just turned out to be so nice. मैंने again order करा in the size extra small. आपको extra small से large का size मिल जाएगा and this is what I have. You guys are not ready. The quality everything is so nice. बहुत ही comfortable रहोगे. It's not like पूरा cotton but एक poly cotton है but poly का quantity ना थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही कम है but आपको बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable महसूस होगा. So this is what the bust area looks like. इस तरीके से आप अपना bust area को cover कर सकते हो and then आपको इसका पूरा dress मिल जाता है like this. The print is just so gorgeous as you can see. It looks so nice. I love how it looks. The print is just so gorgeous. So this is what the print looks like. बहुत ही प्यारा है. एक बड़ा सा flower बना हुआ है. That just looks so nice. So yeah, this is what the next and my second dress looks like again, which is just straight out of my Pinterest board. last dress जो मैंने order किया is very beautiful ruffle white bodycon dress that retails for 2,190 rupees, but ये slap 15% off में है at just 1869 rupees. But ये out of stock हो चुका है. Oh my god, because it's so beautiful. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. So beautiful, looks absolutely gorgeous. And आपको इसका sizes small से large तक का मिल जाएगा, and मैंने मंगवाया है in the size small. It's so beautiful, fits so nicely. So ये रहा. So this is what the dress looks like. ठीक है, पूरा का पूरा ड्रेस इस तरीके का है. आपको इस तरीके का इसका टाई अप डिटेलिंग मिल जाता है like this. And then you get the dress right shop. So yeah, this is what the very last beautiful vacation dress looks like, and this right now is out of stock because it's so beautiful. All of the dresses I got, I'm so happy. एक से एक बढ़कर निकला है, and I'm gonna look so nice, so pretty on my vacation, and I can't wait to go ahead and wear this. So yeah, with that I would like to end today's video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then do like this video and जरूर से subscribe करना channel को, and do not forget to use my coupon code that is flashing on your screen right now in order to get additional discounts. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.